So this vacuum, as you can see, it is detached right now, and it stays standing up by itself, which is really nice for storage. Don't have to worry about it falling and breaking. And then it comes apart, and then it has a touch screen on the top with a power button, and then you also can change it from carpet to hardwood floors, which is really nice. So there's different settings based on the surface you're cleaning. And then it also just plugs into the wall. There's a little charging port on the top of it. Recharges in about 3 hours, I think. And the screen also tells you how much charge is left, which is really nice. So I really like this vacuum. It's worked super well so far, and I would recommend it.